Hey guys, Doug B here, your average axe-wielding hack. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight either one of the factory presets or presets created by third-party creators. We are still at the factory and we let the random number generator pick out another one for us. So open up your Axe FX3, your FM9, or your FM3 to preset 370, Gnome Man's Land. Let's listen to a little sample. Well, here we are at the random number generator. Minimum 0, max 383, hit generate. Preset number 370. Okay, let's check that out. I checked, and preset number 370 is Gnome Man's Land on all three units. Although the FM9 version is called Gnome Man's Land FM9, and the FM3 version is called Gnome Man's Land FM3. Now, as you can probably guess, they're all slightly different. The Axe FX3 version has 5 scenes, the FM9 version has 4 scenes, and the FM3 version has 3 scenes. The Axe FX3 version has a total of 12 blocks, while the FM9 version has a total of 9 blocks, and the FM3 version has a total of 9 blocks. They aren't the same 9 blocks though. The FM9 version has a wah block, and the FM3 version has a comp block right before the out block. Now, one of the things that I found a little peculiar is that this preset has an unused pitch block on the Axe FX3 version. Pitch 2 is used, but pitch 1, it is not used in any scene. Now, maybe they added it in there so that if you want to use it on some scene, you can activate it with a foot switch. I really don't know. But as it is, it's bypassed in all 5 scenes. Also, the Axe FX3 version has 2 cab blocks, cab 1 and cab 2. The FM9 version has only 1 cab block, but it has the capability for 2. Now, maybe it would push the CPU too hard. I mean, I'd like to try using the Axe FX3 version of this preset on the FM9, but I would change it so that there's only 1 pitch block and see if that makes any difference. But I won't know until I get my hands on an FM9 to try it out. The Axe FX3 version uses between 61 and 65% of the CPU. The FM9 version running on the Axe FX3 takes between 38 and 42% of the CPU. So I'm guessing, I don't know, 58 to 62% on the FM9. The FM3 version uses between 72 and 74% of the CPU. Let's look under the hood of this preset. Since all 3 versions are different, we'll stick with the Axe FX3 version this time around. It has 5 scenes: Eat Your Heart Out Jack Butler, Classic Gnomes, Get Down Tonight, Gnome plus Pixie, and Alt Pre-Cab Gnomes. Now the first one here, if you're familiar with the movie Crossroads, that's where Steve Vai plays Jack Butler, the guy who goes up against Ralph Macchio and loses because he can't hit the high note that Ralph Macchio hits on his Telecaster. So we'll have to see if Scene 1 can do that. Scene 3 for you guys that play in dance bands. I'm sure if you play any Casey and the Sunshine Band, you're playing Get Down Tonight, and you probably can't play the intro to the song that's on the album because it has that impossible guitar solo at the very beginning. Well now, with this scene, you can do it. Now besides the in and the out blocks, it has 10 blocks. Pitch 2, Plex Delay 2, Drive 1, Amp 1, Cab 1, Pitch 1, Plex Delay 1, Multi-Tap Delay 1, Cab 2, and Comp 1. The Pitch 2 block uses the virtual capo in Channel A and is used in Scene 1. Plex Delay 2 uses the Plex Shift type in Channel A and is also used in Scene 1. The Drive block is using the T808OD type in Channel A and it's used in Scene 1 and Scene 5. The Amp block is using the USA 2C Plus Deep Bright type in Channel A for Scenes 1, 2, and 5. It's using the Vibrato Verb AB type in Channel B for Scene 3 and Scene 4. The Cab 1 block is using the Legacy number 35 4x12 Basket Weave G12L in the Cab 1 slot, and that's in Channel A, and it's used in Scenes 2, 3, and 4. This pitch block is not used in any scene. But of course, you can turn it on with a foot switch if you want. The Plex Delay 1 block is using the Plex shift type in channel A. The pan is being controlled by a modifier. If we right-click on it, you can see that it's being controlled by LFO 1A. There it is going up and down. That's used in scenes 2, 3, 4, and 5. The multi-tap delay is using the quad tape delay type in channel B for scene 1, and it's using the quad tape delay type with different settings in channel A for scenes 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the cab 2 block is using that legacy number 35 again, the 4x12 basket weave G12L, in both the cab 1 left and the cab 2 right, and they're panned hard left and panned hard right, and that's in channel A, and it's used in scene 1 and scene 5. The comp block is using the Studio FF Compressor 1 type in channel A and is used in all 5 scenes. I'll demo this preset using the Axe FX3, and I'll list the scene names on screen as well. So there you have it, guys. Factory preset number 370, No Man's Land. Now this one is a perfect example of a preset that is similar across all 3 platforms, but still has its differences. But now, you can try some of those crazy sped up guitar parts, like the intro on Get Down Tonight, and on the Grateful Dead, Jerry Garcia's part around 12 minutes in on Terrapin Part 1. Now all that stuff that was impossible before, now you can try it. Give it a try, drop me a comment, and let me know what you think about it. Now this Friday, we are going to talk about changing the battery in the Axe FX3. The what? Oh yeah. Now you do not want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys. See you on Friday.